We are going to do a walkthrough of a Kufo CR-850DP 33-inch double-sided planer. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and turn on notifications to receive our latest videos as they drop. This is a lower hour Kufo CR-850DP featuring a massive 4-post elevation system with Cardan shaft drives and an 850mm width double-sided planer. The replacement cost is over $100,000 for a machine with these specs. This is a very difficult planer to find pre-owned, especially with this low of use. The work table surfaces are precision ground and chrome plated and in excellent condition. It has a working capacity of 33.46 inches wide and 8 inches in thickness, a 50 horsepower top motor and a 40 horsepower bottom motor. The 5 horsepower variable feed speed allows for speeds of 20 to 130 feet per minute. The spiral cutter heads have 8 rows of 21 inserts each, totaling 168 double-sided inserts per head. Each insert measures 30 by 12 by 1.5 millimeters. The current set of inserts have been turned, and a full new replacement set for both heads is also included.